Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're going to be preparing easy made Ewedu soup with stew and amala. Here's what we call the Ewedu leaf. This is intestine and beef. We have fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, and we have our local beans and crayfish. You can never go wrong with this too. So guys, I'll be blending the fresh pepper and fresh tomatoes. This is just to set the stew ready. Okay, as you can see, I'm carefully putting it inside the blender. So how have you guys been doing? Happy New Year. So guys, how did you enjoy your holiday? So yeah, now we'll be blending the tomatoes and pepper. While we blend this, let's gist. So tell me, how did you spend your holiday? And just type on the comment section, okay? You can tell me, I'll be right there to reply you. I've missed you all. I hope you missed me too. So it's been a long journey. Yeah guys, so but we're up for the best. Okay, so yeah, I forgot to add garlic and ginger, so I just added a little. As you can see, that sits in the blender. I had to show you guys. Then that's the ginger powder. I'm going to be adding that later. So I'm blending the garlic together with the puree. Tomato puree is ready. Set that aside. Now we're going to be boiling the meat and make sure it is cooked to soft. Alright, I'm adding my Maggi, salt, and I allowed it to steam for a bit before I added a little bit of water. Yeah, there goes the salt, and I added a little bit puree of tomato and pepper just to give it that spicy, taste. Yeah, I'm turning and stirring everything to taste, so it gets into every bit of the meat. So guys, I forgot to add onion, but I did later behind the scene. Here I'm going to be adding thyme and curry into the meat, and I already added water to it, and I'm going to cover to steam after turning properly. You can add your ingredients to your taste, okay? Here the meat is soft, and I'm going to be keeping that aside. Next to the Ewedu, this is my potash. I soaked it in water, and I'm going to be adding it inside the boiling water in the pot meant for the Ewedu. And here it is. I'm going to be pouring it inside the water directly. There are two ways of preparing Ewedu. You can either blend or boil before. But now I prefer to boil, cook a little bit before I blend. Yeah, I'm adding the Ewedu leaf inside the boiling potash water. Add a little bit of water, to cover the leaf. I didn't want it to be too thick. I wanted it to be a little bit slimy. Now I'm adding a little bit salt and just 1 cube of Maggi to give it a taste. I added the crayfish and the locust beans to it. And then I stirred them together and cover and allowed it to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes in a low heat, okay, very low heat. So if you want to know when this is ready, you're going to start perceiving the aroma of Ewedu. So bring it down and start blending. And here the Ewedu is ready. So now I'm pouring it into the pot meant for the Ewedu. Yeah, and this is Ewedu, guys. I want to see a comment in the comment section. Okay, tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you prepare yours. And we're done with that. Now I'll be going over to prepare for the stew. First, I want to parboil my tomatoes. I'm pouring the peri into the fresh pot and allowing it to steam dry. Once this is already done, I'm going to be pouring the other ingredients. I didn't really allow it to get dry. So I put in my vegetable oil, just a little quantity, and allowed it to simmer a little bit before I started adding my onion to cook. You know, it's not every time you want to fry. Yeah, this is my other way of cooking stew. So I'm adding my onion. Yeah, after allowing to steam a little again, I pour in my ginger. Remember I said I was going to add it. I'm adding my cooked meat and inside side. We're going to be stirring. Guys, if you notice, I didn't add Maggi cube or salt anymore, so that I don't over salt the stew, because the meat is already sweet with. And guess what? It tastes so sweet. So we're done with the stew. Now we have to make the amala, right? I'm going to, this is how this looks. So now we're going to boil the water, and I'm going to be adding a little vegetable oil to it so that it swallow. It's going to be smooth. So here you can see I'm pouring in my powdered plantain. This is blended plantain, so I'm pouring it in, and this is what we use for amala. I'm going to be turning this, so watch me while I stir and turn this sweet swallow. So guys, when we're washing, I wanted to do the bakery as well, but I think I'm going to make another video an advanced video on this, on Amala at bakery and stew with Ewedi. Okay, I'm going to do that next time, but for now we just made a Ewedi soup with stew with Amala, and that's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and this is me turning amala. Guys, this food meal was so delicious. Tell me how you prepare yours, and how long it took you to make this on the comment section. Okay, thank you for joining my channel. If this is your first time of joining, thank you for bumping into us, please like the video, comment and share. Do not also forget to subscribe and turn on all your notification buttons so that whenever a video pops up, you're going to be notified, okay? So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, my family, and you know our daughters, thank you for joining. I appreciate you guys, okay? Tell me what video you want me to do next, okay? Like I said, I'm going to be making another video of this Ewedi with a bakery, okay? I'll see you guys next time on my channel, okay? I'm going to be making another video for you guys. See ya. I love ya. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. I'll be joining you in the comment section.